Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making a Cosmopolitan. First thing I'll show you here is just how to make a bit of decoration using this implement here. So you see a lot of peelers have this tool on it, so it's a very small hole, and this is what you do. Just run it along the edge of any citrus fruit, so it's your oranges, limes, lemons, and just scrape it along the edge like that, and you'll end up getting one long piece of peel. So yeah, if you've ever seen that little hole before on one of your peelers and wondered what it was for, that's what you can do with it. This is just a garnish, so what I would do with this piece of lime peel is just wrap it around a cocktail stick. That's a chopstick, not a cocktail stick. Wrap it around a chopstick. There you go, and just let that sit there till you're ready to use it. That's going to be for two people's drinks, that. So now we're going to take one of these shakers, we're going to add some ice, a healthy measure of vodka. This is probably 4 shots of vodka. This is for two people, don't forget. Cointreau, and about a double shot of Cointreau, so 60 ml of Cointreau, some fresh lime juice, and some cranberry juice. And give it a really good shake until the outside of that shaker, that metal shaker, has got condensation on it and it's freezing cold. Use one of these glasses, a martini glass. This shaker has got the strainer built into the top, so we don't need to do a fine strain. We can just pour it out through there, make sure no ice falls into the glass. There you go. We're now going to garnish it with one of those little lime twists. That's a Cosmopolitan. It's absolutely delicious. You might think it's a feminine drink, but it packs an absolute punch. It's super sweet, gorgeous, beautiful. Yeah, love it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate every single viewer, and I'll see you on the next one.